Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking to level up your JavaScript skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for any JavaScript developer: array methods. These methods are essential tools that will make your coding life so much easier. So let's get started. JavaScript arrays are incredibly versatile, but working with them can get tricky without the right tools. Fortunately, JavaScript provides us with a bunch of built-in array methods that can help us add, remove, sort, and manipulate data in arrays effortlessly. In this video, we'll go through some of the most commonly used array methods, step by step. Let's start with the basics. First up, we have the push and pop methods. The push method allows us to add one or more elements to the end of an array, while the pop method removes the last element from the array. Here's an example. Here I have an array called fruits, containing two fruits name. If I want to add one more fruit to it, I can use push method. Fruits.push. Let's say orange. Let's display the updated array, console.log. Fruits. As you can see, it simply adds orange to the array. If I want to remove the last element of this array, I can use pop method. Fruits.pop. Let's display it, console.log. Fruits. As you can see, it simply removes the orange element from the array, which was the last element. Basically, push method adds elements, while pop method removes the last element. Simple enough, right? Now, let's move on to shift method and unshift method. These methods work similarly to push method and pop method, but they add and remove elements from the beginning of the array. Here I have an array containing some car brands. If I want to add an element to the starting of the array, I can use unshift method. Cars.unshift. Let's say Jaguar. Let's display the updated array, console.log. Cars. As you can see, it adds the Jaguar in the beginning of array. If I want to remove the very first element of the array, I can use shift method. Cars.shift. Console.log. Cars. As you can see, it removes the Jaguar element from the array, which was the first element. So, unshift method adds to the beginning, and shift method removes from the beginning. Next, we have find method and findIndex method. The find method returns the first element that satisfies a given condition, while findIndex method returns the index of that element. Here I have an array containing some numbers. If I want to find the first number, which is greater than 2, I can use find method. Let found equals numbers.find. We need to pass an arrow function to this. Let's say n equal to sign and greater than sign, n greater than 2. Let's display the output, console.log. Found. As you can see, it returns the first element of the array which satisfies the given condition. In our case, the condition is that the number which is greater than 2, so it returns 3. If I want to display the index of that element, I can use findIndex method. So let's copy this and paste it right here. Just make few changes, change the variable name to index. Also change the method to findIndex. As you can see, it simply returns the index of that element, which is 2. These methods are great when you're looking for a specific item in an array. Lastly, we have slice method and splice method. Slice method creates a shallow copy of a portion of an array, while splice method modifies the original array by adding or removing elements. If I want to display a portion of this array, I can use slice method. Let portion equals number.slice. Here we have to pass two parameters, one for starting and other for ending. Let's start from index 1 and ends to index 3. Let's display the output, console.log. Portion. As you can see, it returns the numbers from index 1 to index 2. Remember, it displays the ending index, one less than the original index. So it goes from start to n-1. Lastly, let's talk about splice method. Its format is that the first parameter it takes the starting index, then the second parameter it takes delete count, which means the number of elements to remove from the array. If set to 0, no elements are removed. Then it takes items, which is the elements you want to add to the original array, starting from the start index. Numbers.splice. Starting index, let's say 2, number of elements to remove, let's say 1, element to add, let's say 5. Let's display the updated array, console.log. Numbers. Here, It starts at index 2, value 3, and removes one element, then adds the value 5 at index 2. The original array is modified to 1, 2, 5, 4. And that's a wrap on JavaScript array methods. We have to cover a lot in the upcoming videos, but these methods are some of the most powerful tools you'll use when working with arrays. Mastering them will really help you write cleaner, more efficient code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future content. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.